So viewer subscriber, wagwan. In this update we have Denyque, this Popcaan, and then Popcaan a respond back. Plus we also have some robbery going up in a Mandeville. Yo, we have to touch upon the topic here. Watch channel man, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to 4K Shell Energy and stop play with me. Yeah man, make we jump in it right now.
Oh no, catch a rock ya. With the Gucci bag, Rex by me hip side. Sipping any on the rock ya.
So viewer subscriber, we'll kick off the review with the incident that happened in Mandeville. Yeah man, as you're not supposed to hear already, the man them take about 2 bags of money. You see me? And brother, it obvious say, well it's not obvious, but more than likely that's over couple millions well the man them run off with. You see me? And at the same thing I'm again viewer subscriber, the same Brinks I get robbed, shut up, beat, yo, it's the same incident happen over and over and over. You know, seem like say this is gonna come to a stop anytime soon because the man them well equipped and the man them ready for anything, you see me? So me not too know what the government are gonna do about this, to stop it or to slow it down or to make the man them think twice, but the man them nah ease up. The man them a go feed anywhere they can, them a go feed. You see me? And I think they must say a 3 person get shot. I'm not sure about that news, but I hope it's not. You see me if you're a subscriber. But the man them a go feed, bro. Any means necessary, them a go feed. Them not stop till them get it. You see me? And if you realize now if you're a subscriber, if you realize the type of gun them man them a come out with, you know, and not some little Glock or nothing, you know, man. The man them a come out with some heavy rapid machine where, yo, from them touch a skin, you know, I just bone left back. You see me? Unlike the man them pan the Brinks. Right now, to be honest, the government just make the security thing look like, say, a play thing. The security thing just look like a play thing, like a boy thing. Like, one time, man, we used to hear say Brinks are coming in to come collect money or come drop off money. Yo, everybody have to stand clear. But nowadays, it come like say a be a little pitney a work on Brinks, you see me? And I don't know what the government do about it. At the end of the day, I don't near them to know say how them a plan a thing or nothing I don't know. But at the end of the day, a security a lose them life. You see me? Security a try to do them work, to earn them little bread, them a lose them life. It don't make no sense, bro. You see me? The man them a upgrade na them gun. I think the government need to upgrade na feed them also, you see me? Them need to upgrade, bro. Because this not gonna stop. People not gonna stop lose them life. You can't go a bank and feel safe, bro. You don't know when them money go strike, you see me? So that's all I have to say on the topic, to be honest with you, subscribe. And you can't think about that, you see me? As me say, the man them not ease up. Any means necessary, them a go feed. You see me? And just be careful out there. When they are bank or not just bank, you know, don't know so the streets not safe. So just be safe out there if you're a subscriber. Yeah man. So if you're a subscriber, as you can see, Denyque did a promote a recent single. But while promoting that, she have on a shirt with Popcaan and eat a watermelon. Yeah man. But beside Popcaan face it says somebody's son. But beside the watermelon it says me. So basically what Denyque try to say is that Popcaan a eat her. And you don't know say yo, down at Jamaica, down here so, we go burn that out. You see me? No man. No one their name to get called upon them something there. You see me? At least I know everyone a demand them still, but me a talk for the man them way burn out them something here. So basically Denyque style up Popcaan right there so. You see me? Me don't know if I spite, but at the end of the day, she don't know how Jamaican man stay, bro. And worse Popcaan. You see me? So Denyque basically a style Popcaan right there so. And to be honest, me not rate that move from Denyque. Enough people are burn her out also. People are say, yo, it's like a clout here look. You see me? But me go read the Popcaan say because Popcaan respond to this. So just pre-war go on. So the entertainer said, bitch, if you want some clout, here's some. Go SYM and don't play with me. But Denyque replied to Popcaan and said, LOL, you so cute. But viewer subscriber, it not just done this so. Denyque tagged back Popcaan and also said this. So Denyque said, so Popcaan music, me I wear a shirt with you I eat a melon, which is a fruit, and you a come tell me if you go SYM? Where was all this strength and energy when Kai Hyla go live and tell the people them how you love party business? Give that some energy to know pa you love with the eggplant, the body or nah. We are wait with an eye emoji. So basically the on the screen you can read it for yourself. But at the end of the day, would give Denny the wrong here so because the shirt and I just say the entertainer depend the shirt and I eat a melon. Nothing no wrong with eating a melon, but away at the writing where depend the shirt with and he said somebody's son, which is Popcaan, and the melon which said me. So basically you try to say Popcaan and eat you. And you don't know say the man them love burn out them something there. You see me? So basically would take it as a this, but would have brought Popcaan in a way that would say yo at the way him answer. You see me? You could have angled the situation way better than that. But Denyque is wrong. Denyque shouldn't do that. You see me? Nothing wrong with the shirt, and the picture where they on the shirt, but it's just the words where they beside the picture. You see me? Are just the words where they beside the picture. That not right, bro. Any man would have burn your out for that. You see me? That make Popcaan look fishy. You see, pray. That make Popcaan look like say him go down low. Something where Popcaan a burn out since him know himself. You see me? Popcaan a burn that out since him know himself. So Popcaan I go answer you. But I'm just not rate how the entertainer dealt with the situation. You see me? But at the end of the day, we are subscriber, I'm wrong Denyque for that. You see, pray. Yeah, man. But Popcaan sister also get involved and said some things, but I'm not really get into that. You see, pray. But at the end of the day, as I say, I'm wrong Denyque for that, but I'm wrong Popcaan for how him respond and tell her if he go SYM, you see, pray. Yeah, man. But Denyque say, yo, you have strength. Because you have strength and energy for me just because I was wearing a shirt with a picture with you eating a watermelon. But what about Kai Hyla when she attacks say yo? You see me? But yo, I don't know. This just make Popcaan look fishy. And to be honest, I don't know say Popcaan are done in the street. What I mean done in the street, I don't know say Popcaan name big in the street. So things like them I know I go shake up Popcaan thing, you see me? So that's why Popcaan I go respond to it. That's why Popcaan I go behave like this. But at the end of the day, I'm not rate how the entertainer respond to it. But Denyque was wrong. So you can make me know and think about that via subscriber. So remember, subscribe to the channel if you're new. And as always, catch you now in our next one.